And can you expand a bit on the process and criteria you use for selecting speakers?
Absolutely. I definitely think going into it, that's kind of what I feel makes this a little bit different as well, is having that personal growth as well as business growth. I want to
Mhm.
have speakers that touch on both aspects. So, in thinking ahead, it's really just about those that will really have an impact on that personal level of with whether it's with, confidence or with imposter syndrome or with
Mhm.
I know this past year we did like breath work, like when you're feeling stuck
Yeah.
and stuff. Compared to then also having the business experts like yourself, having the PR expert and just
Yeah.
having like AI and just literally going forward and planning, I do have a wide kind of range of from feedback of what to focus on. But honestly, it really kind of comes down to interviewing and meeting with speakers. If they are just lighting me up with their passion and what they're talking
Mhm.
about, it's just one of those things that I feel like, okay, you need to be a part of this because of the energy and just the passion that they have for that topic. So I really feel
Mhm.
like it almost kind of comes down to that as well, rather than having like one specific topic where I like have to find that one person about it.
Sure. No,
Yeah.
and I appreciate you being so open about that process because everyone's process is a little bit different. You've got some
Yeah.
groups where they have a lot of repeat attendees, and so they really lean into what those attendees want. And then some of them go by the metrics of what's filled out in the reviews, and they lead it, and so on and so forth. So you actually partially answered this already, but just to make sure, I want to ask it just to make sure we cover